Architecture as a profession is going through a great deal of change. The housing crises, AI, climate change, these are all kind of big global challenges. So this MArch was designed to help students respond to that complexity.
Architecture is very much at the intersection of many disciplines. So we need to find a way of being much more innovative in the way that we are training future generations.
This MArch, it's a 2-year in-person program that offers a wide range of elective modules, so students can decide what their career gaps is, what their academic gaps is, and decide which areas of expertise and discipline they want to further engage or develop.
This program gives you greater access to a range of interdisciplinary practitioners and thinkers, and all of that comes to bear into your studio projects, which is where you integrate it through design.
In this very complex and rapidly changing world, this program allows different ways of being an architect.
We believe this program will generate a different kind of young professional. So this is a great program for students wanting to reach out beyond the envelope of traditional architectural practice.